Hey Beauts, we are back at it again with another little range from Femme Luxe. I'm just gonna go right into it. So in the top left corner, we've got the Khaki cargo slim fit trousers, also known as Soni, in a size 6. The top right corner, sorry for my big hand, top right corner, we've got the black halter neck button jumpsuit, also known as a Vicky, in size 6. Bottom left is the white cowl neck wrap dress, also known as Kimberly in the size 6. And then last not but least, bottom right is a stone high waist ruched cord set, also known as the Madison in size 6. So let me start off with the first one, which is the cargo slim fit trousers. I've always wanted a pair of these for like ages. I used to have some when I was younger and then got rid of them. I don't know why I did that. So this is them. Pretty much jean style type of look, but obviously not. They seem to be quite a nice length actually as well, and the best part is they've got cuffs, so I'm hoping they'll fit quite nice. I thought they might be a little bit longer in length, but they're not, which to be fair works fine by me. It just means I have to like do less rolling up on the legs. The second piece is the black halter neck suit. Sorry, jumpsuit. I don't know why I said suit then. Is the jumpsuit, if I could actually get into it. So first initial thought, materials actually seems okay. It's it's actually, I won't say light, it's like a medium kind of weight. But it's not thin. I don't see this being see-through. This is what I mean, like with length. It's so long. This would be quite nice actually. Got this cute little button detail. You've got the halter neck tie, a little bit of a low back, as you can see here. Plenty of elastication as well, so these will be great actually. Quite nice flary trousers as well, so it'll be amazing if you want to keep obviously your heels hidden and just to give you that length, or if you want to wear some real nice mega heels so you can actually see them, and either way it'll work really nicely. Third piece, which is the cowl neck dress, which I quite like when I first saw, is like so. Nice little bit of detail in there. Oh, okay, this is a little bit dirty. Hey ho. But I've got a feeling this will be quite see-through, so I need to bear in mind what like lingerie I wear with this. Otherwise, quite nice. You've got the cowling working right through from underneath the bust area, literally all the way down. So this would be quite nice actually. For like evening attire, especially for the summer, it'll be nice evening attire, but we'll see how we go with that. Because that's quite sort of slinky, clingy material as well, and obviously with it not being lined, we're going to see a fair amount. And last but not least is a coordinate set. Don't know what I was trying to say there. So once again, we've actually got really thin material to the point it's not lined whatsoever, so I would definitely need to wear a bra or something underneath this. You've obviously got it ruched at the front, which is great, so it'll give you some enhanced cleavage without really trying. Back is plain, no adjustable strap, so what you see is what you get really. And the skirt to match, basically like this, but when I saw it in the model before, she ruched it all the way to the top, so this is something we can play with really. So we can make it, we can literally leave it like that, or we can make it even more ruched. Back is quite plain, but once again, look, you can even see how see-through that is. Can you see that line in the middle? Yeah, that's from that here. So we're gonna need to check out underwear again with this. Right, so let's get trying on. Right, love, so the first one I'm trying on is the coordinate set in the colour Stone. And I'm not going to lie, it's not one of my favourite pieces. Purely for this reason. The first thing is where I need it to sit, which is here. The straps are so loose, there's just no point to it. I've actually got like a strapless bra underneath trying to hold this up for me. It technically wants to sit so lower down, but I'm trying to keep it in place. It's just not working. Let me just show you the back. The back, even then, it's just not fitted. It's so loose. It's just, that's what I mean, it's just so unreal. The skirt itself, I decided to ruche it the whole way so you actually get to see what it looks like. I'll also put it down in a second. This is what I mean, it's the material is really clingy, really see-through. It's not at all that great. Let me quickly just show you what it's... Oh god, I've knotted it. 1 second. What it's like as when it's fully down. So this is what I mean, if we're not ruching, obviously the skirt becomes longer instantly, but you need that ruching effect to give it something a little more. Yeah, I'm not a massive fan, to be honest. Oh, I've done that too much now. Yeah, I'm not a massive fan, to be honest. It could be a little better, but it's fine. I suppose I'm glad I went for Stone and not like cream or white or something, because I really wouldn't have liked it. But yeah, it's okay otherwise. I can't really complain. Right, out of 10, I'd probably say 4. Not a fan. Hey loves, right, the next one is this gorgeous dress, the white slinky one. Not as bad as what I thought it would be. In terms of, obviously at the top I thought it was going to be a lot more sort of, oh my god, exposing plunge and this, that and everything like I'm doing now, but it's not. So it's not so bad. It's actually quite nice fitting. Really elasticated, really stretchy, so you don't have to worry too much. I'll just show you here, and obviously this is when it starts working into the whole asymmetric style, which is quite nice. And then you get like a nice little bit of length on it as well, which is great. I quite like this whole thing going on because it's like a really sort of like sultry split. It's not like a horrible straight split and you're like, oh yeah, great, everything's exposed. So it's quite great like that. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit of a clingy one, but it's not too bad. To be fair, it's not as bad as what I expected compared to my last piece. But this is quite nice though. Really nice material. It sits really well on. Like I mentioned, obviously it's nice and stretchy. Like there's loads of room to move. You don't feel like you're suffocated. So it's great. I have to say this one is probably one of my favourites so far. If we're going to compare between the last one and this, I'd probably give this one a 7, actually. Maybe potentially 8 out of 10. That's quite nice. Right, on to the next piece, which is the halter neck jumpsuit. This is actually a really nice fit. I can't tell you how much I love the fit of this. So the length is, in a sense, for me, just right. I'm trying to show you. So it's obviously without heels on. It covers enough of my foot, but I know with heels on, it would just partially cover. So it wouldn't be the long enough they cover your heels completely, or the too short where you see way too much. Really lovely baggy flowing material, as you can see. Real nice flare, which I quite like. You've got some gorgeous button detailing, so it sort of sits around about your belly button, waist level. A little bit loose, but it's fine. The back fits pretty nice too. Nice elastication at the back. I feel like this is slightly loose on me, but it's no big deal. And let me just show you guys up close what the front is like. Really nice. Sits really well. You can obviously wear this with or without a bra. Obviously that's entirely dependent to you. And then at the back, I'm trying to show you guys, if you guys can see, it's just a halter necktie. Obviously I didn't do mine in a bow because I didn't find the ribbon long enough to, so I just did a double knot, and I know that will definitely stay. Otherwise, I love this. I love the way it looks. I love the way it feels. So great. Probably one of my favourite pieces now. I'm rating this one 9 out of 10. I don't think it's worth a 10 out of 10 because I wish the material was a little bit better, but definitely 9 out of 10. Hands down. And lastly, guys, it is the cargo trousers. So first thing I want to say is these, even though they're a size 6, they're slightly loose. Don't get me wrong, they're stretchy. So you can get a really nice snug fit if you go one size lower. But buttoned up and everything, I've got still a lot of room, which sucks. And then another thing, if you guys can probably see, these are sort of like ankle croppers. I mean, me being me, I'll wear it up here anyway, so they're a little bit shorter. But they don't actually come to your ankle, to be fair. They're literally ankle croppers. So that was something that I wasn't expecting. I thought they might be slightly longer, but clearly not. One thing I do like is the side pockets. The actual usable side pockets as well. I had to make sure then. Then just show you guys just up here. It's obviously zip and button closure. That's what I mean. It's like loads of stretch, loads of room in these. You've also obviously got belt loops and everything to them as well, which is quite nice. I do like the colour actually. The colour is really cool. It's one of my favourites, and this is what I mean. This one you can wear all year round because it's one of those types of colours that just works, basically. But otherwise, these aren't bad. Wait, let me try and just, if I was to wear them, yeah, I'd probably do them crop style. So yeah, so they would look like this, and it works. Obviously, you could easily wear it with bandeau tops, bralettes, cami tops, t-shirts, jumpers, anything, literally anything. But yeah, these are actually, they're pretty comfortable. They're not super fitted because obviously I've got room. As you can see, I've got stretch. They're not completely straight down, you know, like really hugging the legs so you can't move in them at all. Like, they're pretty decent. They're actually pretty decent. So I think I would rate these a 9 as well, actually. No, maybe not a 9. Maybe an 8. I'll give them an 8, actually. These are pretty decent for an 8. Yeah, 8 it is.